I'm staying accountable by bringing to you my weekly weigh-in. And I'm introducing my new series. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. So if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, then subscribe. But definitely check out the show notes and the links below because I'll give you information about all the products I use in today's video. So, let's get started.
Denise, gotcha already.
Okay.
I'll wait till that's done moving.
This has been a struggle week, so
Okay, I gotcha.
what I do.
Alright, I put it in with the W since your thing shows it. Okay.
How'd I do?
0.2.
Point
But that's not
okay.
a lot. That could be water. Just
Well,
water.
I'll take that too, because we've been out like twice this week, and we went out last night. So
and that's
yeah,
good.
yeah. So
Because usually when you eat out,
yeah,
we
we
had
had
all they're putting in the food.
I gained 0.2 pounds this week. I know it's almost like staying the same, but it is up just a tad. I went out to dinner twice this week, and neither place was particularly plan friendly. And then we also went to the movies the night before weigh-in and dinner the night before weigh-in. So I had salty taco chips at dinner and movie popcorn. Who does that the night before weigh-in? So I was just glad that my weight was where it was. So like I said, I will take that. And I am back on track, so I am feeling pretty good. Now let me tell you about my new series. It's 31 days of spring cleaning. That means I'll be deep cleaning a different area in my home every day for the next 31 days. And since I use the Fly Lady cleaning system, I'll be using zone cleaning to manage the process. The series kicks off on Thursday, March 1st. Now, here's the thing. I don't want you to just watch me clean my house. I want you to join me on this 31-day journey. We all want cleaner, clutter-free homes, and we can do it together. So please join me for 31 days of spring cleaning. So now your question for today is this. Are you in? Are you willing to jump in and work on your home for the next 31 days? Let's talk about it in the comment section below. In the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share the love by sharing the link. And as I said earlier, subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the TNT community. This is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow for day one, 31 days of spring cleaning.